The Corbeau Sport Reclining Front Seats are a perfect complement to pretty much any Wrangler. Designed to be more comfortable than your stock seats with better bolstering to hold you in place, these are the kind of seats that make it easy to live with your Jeep. Whether you're looking for a better alternative to a factory setup or you're after a big upgrade for the sake of safety and performance, the Sports strike an excellent balance of comfort, features, and good looks. Now when it comes to fitment, these are designed to work on pretty much anything from a 1975 CJ5 up to 2018 JK Wranglers. So these are compatible with CJ5s, CJ7s, as well as YJ, TJ, and JK Wranglers. However, just keep in mind that certain platforms may require different mounting brackets, so double check what you have before you start the job. And if you do happen to need that additional bracket, don't worry, we've got them on our site available for you as well. Now, Wranglers have never been known for cushy seats, but the Corbeau Sport is set to change all of that. When it comes to style and comfort, these have both of those things in spades. You get a classic high back seat with a large headrest and the horizontal padding here in the center, which gives this a pretty timeless look. It can look good in anything from a CJ5 up to a more modern JK, but underneath is a thoroughly modern seat. You're gonna find a bit of a sporty side here too. You've got supportive bolsters up here on the backrest and down on the base as well. And that's gonna help keep you in place whether you're cruising to the ice cream shop or out hitting a trail. And you'll be comfortable as well. With a wide base and thick cushioning throughout, these are mighty comfy even for longer treks. You get an adjustable backrest here and an adjustable headrest, which can go up and down, and it can even tilt forward for a little bit of extra comfort too. So you can find yourself an ideal driving position. And the Sport is compatible with all of your factory seatbelts, as well as 3, 4, and 5-point harnesses should you find yourself needing extra security behind the wheel. There's also a nice map pocket on the back too, so you're not losing out on storage. Now these come as a matched set, giving you one driver and one passenger seat. Even though I've only got the driver's seat up here on the table, they do come with both. And they also come in a variety of colors and materials. This one is Spice Vinyl, and that's gonna match really well to the Spice Brown that was available on Sahara trim JKs. But you can get these in a darker tan, as well as black and gray vinyl. And again, this is a vinyl cover. Super durable, great for the Jeep that sees a lot of top-down time, but leather, cloth, and neoprene are also available should you want to go that route. And we have them all available on our site as well, so if that's more your speed, make sure to check those out too. Now that vinyl we were just talking about is really the visual star of the show, as this is going to be way more durable than leather. It lends itself well to being used outdoors. This is going to look and feel similar to leather, but it's harder wearing and a lot easier to care for. There's a reason this same type of material is used in boat seats. Now underneath, you're going to find a thick injection molded foam for comfort, as well as a tubular steel frame for durability. And like we were talking about a few moments ago, those of you who want a different color or material, Corbeau has those options available for you too. This is designed to bolt into most CJs and YJ Wranglers without the need for additional bracketry, but again, depending on your Jeep, you may need to run an adapter or a new mount. Corbeau has it covered, and we do have the necessary brackets available on our website if you have an application that needs one of those. Pricing comes in at about $825 for the pair, and that makes this a really solid deal. To get two seats of this kind of caliber and build quality separately, you'd likely end up paying more. But even then, these are just a really good seat for the price tag. The only thing to keep in mind is, depending on your Jeep, you may have to budget for those additional brackets. But if you want something that's gonna look good, that's gonna wear well, and be really comfortable, whether you're on the street or the trail, the Corbeau Sport is gonna have you covered. Installation gets a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 2 hours to complete. Now, installing these is really just a matter of doing up a couple of bolts down on the bottom, and the most difficult part of the job is going to be hoisting out the old seats and getting the new ones fitted into place. But if you can lift a seat and you can turn a wrench, this should be a pretty simple job for you. Just budget a little bit of time to make sure you get it right. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the Corbeau Sport Reclining Seats, fitting 1976 through 2018 CJ5s and CJ7s, as well as YJ, TJ, and JK Wranglers. Thanks so much for watching, and for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.